Hi everyone. In previous videos, we have discussed about how to install MongoDB and Robo3D. So MongoDB it's a NoSQL database and Robo3D it's a IDE. IDE means Integrated Development Environment for running the MongoDB related queries. So most of people already aware MongoDB it's a NoSQL database. That means data should not be in a structured format. It may be or may not be in a structured format. So in this video I will explain very clear what is the main importance of MongoDB. Is it really required and what is the advantage with MongoDB? Let me explain with a simple example. Okay, first of all I will show you in RDBMS. So RDBMS means if we consider SQL Server or Oracle or MySQL Workbench, anything should be the structured data. You can see here. So select start from customer. So I have created one table and I have inserted some data into the table. Let me run this. You can see here for same ID and same name, you can see different phone numbers. Here you can see for one person, if we are maintaining the two separate records in this use case, if we have multiple persons, the data will be duplicated going forward. If we have millions of records, the data should be duplicated automatically. So how we should handle such kind of scenarios? So instead of RDBMS, if we are using the NoSQL database, automatically we can handle this kind of scenarios. How? Let me explain very clearly. Okay, in MongoDB, we have array concept. Here you can see. So I will explain in details about this what is array and how we can insert the data, what kind of operations we can perform in MongoDB. I can explain very clearly now as of now for example related purpose. Okay, let me show you with simple example. Here you can see we have only one ID. So in the one ID we have name field. Whatever the name field you can see here, the same name field and same ID. Here instead of phone number, what I did is I am maintaining phone number in array. You can see here. So I am maintaining phone number in array format. Here you can see phone number. We have two elements. Here the data type is array. So if I expand, automatically you can see here for one record, inside the one record, I am maintaining two numbers. So this is the advantage with NoSQL database. So you can see here, yeah, for one record, we are maintaining two phone numbers in a structured format. You can see here. So this is the document format. For one record, we are maintaining the two phone numbers. So here we are avoiding the duplicate records. That is the main advantage with the MongoDB, not only for phone numbers. So nowadays, Gmails also lot of people are using. We have multiple, I mean, one person we have multiple Gmails, and one person might study to different courses. For such kind of use cases, we are using this MongoDB. So that's all about this video, guys. Thank you. Please subscribe.